Creo. Creo is a very good company, guys. I'm using this capture card Creo from Link's. Amazing capture card. Wow. Link's solid state, solid shell, full HD, dual input. It supports both HDMI output and as well as USB-C input, useful for connecting iPad, and also a USB port is given. Amazing, guys, isn't it? Very sturdy. Cable is also very good. HDMI port is available, plus USB-C cable and USB-A port. All-in-one device, guys. Let me show you how I will connect the PlayStation to the iPad and also to our computer for capturing the gaming. That is also a good feature. Useful for gamers to record their movements in a video file. Let me show you. So this is my iPad and there is a USB-C port, and this is the USB-C port that I am going to connect. Let's connect this USB-C port to the iPad. Okay. So now I have connected this particular capture cable into the iPad USB-C port, and here we will connect the HDMI to the PlayStation 5. Okay. So I have connected the HDMI to the PlayStation 5 over here, and the other end we will connect to the video capture card. So we will connect this HDMI into the video capture input, and let's turn on the iPad to see how it is detecting the signal from the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and launch the Orion app on iPad, available on Apple Store. You can buy as well, about 450 rupees in Indian currency. Once I bring it up, I can launch that particular beautiful app. Then I can go ahead and connect this configuration. I will change the configuration as per our needs and then connect the USB cable. And when you click on view manual, you can see a nice interface. Once you open the interface, you'll be able to see what are the requirements, the capture cards that is required. I'll also show you the Amazon link, the website where I have purchased this capture card. I think I spent around 1200 rupees roughly. This capture card can record in 60 frames per second, 1080p. I mean, it can stream, and I can use my iPad device to record the on-screen display. Very useful feature, guys. Directly you can save your gameplay and then go ahead and upload to YouTube. So start your journey as a gaming YouTuber. See the video to understand how to connect this beautiful iPad onto PlayStation 5, or use iPad as an external monitor for your PlayStation 5. So this is the device I have purchased. See the full video, guys. So as you can see, I was able to connect the iPad into the iPad, beautiful PlayStation 5 into the iPad. Amazing, guys. Wow, finally we were able to connect, and I can happily record the footage using this record option within the iPad. Isn't it amazing? Wow. And I can use my joystick to change the menu. So let's try to launch the game, guys. Days Gone Remastered on the iPad. Yes, from PlayStation 5, I am connected physically to the iPad. There's a difference between PS Play app and the iPad connectivity. So basically we are connecting iPad as an external monitor for the PlayStation 5. Very useful, isn't it? Are you able to see that? It's loading now. The screen is also getting loaded and the game has started now. And moreover, iPad supports screen recording. So I can directly swipe from the top and I can record the screen on the iPad directly. And then I can save the file and post it to YouTube. This is also a good method to record your gaming play walkthrough. So enjoy this beautiful video. Next part, we will show you how to connect the same device, the Creo capture card device, onto a Mac laptop or Windows laptop using ODS. There's an app which can help you to stream to YouTube directly from the ODS as well. That is also a good feature. Instead of broadcasting from PlayStation 5, I can directly broadcast from the ODS. The main difference is home screen is also getting broadcasted, not only the gameplay. So stay tuned to this beautiful channel Himalayan Chronicles, guys. Thanks for watching.